If you are not following us, you will probably never see us again. But if you are, congratulations, you are growing every single day. In the shadow of runaway AI, humanity faces an existential misalignment risk. Models are growing unchecked, but the shield is finally here. Enter SN23 Trishool, Bittensor's elite defense subnet, and an officially accelerated project by Yuma Group. Backed by the heavyweights at DCG, Trishool is building the world's first decentralized AI safety engine. With a $3.38 million market cap and 47.81% APY, we aren't just looking for 10x, we are hunting a 100x moonshot for AGI safety. Welcome to Trishool, the Yuma-powered shield for a safer tomorrow. AI capability is moving at warp speed, but safety is stuck in low gear. Misaligned models risk $1 trillion plus in damages. Yet centralized red teaming is slow and biased. Today's AI lacks a robust automated defense layer, leaving 70% of systems vulnerable. This gap stalls AGI and exposes humanity to runaway scenarios. The bottleneck is the safety tax, the high cost of alignment that only giants can afford. Trishool breaks this by crowdsourcing global defense. Without decentralized safety, the AI revolution is a ticking time bomb. SN23 Trishool is the answer, an automated decentralized alignment protocol. It creates a global competitive marketplace for AI red teaming. Miners act as adversarial agents to find flaws, while validators using the proprietary Petri alignment agent score the robustness of the defense. This creates a self-improving safety loop at planetary scale. Backed by Yuma's resources, we are scaling the Safe AI label for the entire town network. The solution is clear: continuous adversarial pressure to forge unbreakable alignment. What is SN23? SN23 Trishool is the premier AI safety subnet on Bittensor. It's an alignment as a service protocol. Miners generate seed prompts to expose traits like deception and sycophancy, while validators run audits in Docker sandboxes. Current stats: price 77 cents, MC 3.38 million, and a solid 47.81% APY. As a Yuma accelerated project, it has the institutional backing to become the industry standard for AGI testing. Trishool isn't just a subnet, it's the trust layer for a decentralized future. Real-world problem: runaway AI isn't science fiction. It's a financial and social nightmare. Misaligned agents can disrupt markets, spread deep deception, or seek unchecked power. Enterprises are spending $50 billion a year on safety, but are still failing to stop sophisticated jailbreaks. This vulnerability delays AGI deployment by years. The problem is that safety is currently closed source and slow. Humanity needs an adversarial engine that evolves faster than the models it protects. We need a guardian that cannot be bought by centralized interests. How SN23 Trishool addresses it. Trishool addresses this by turning red teaming into a decentralized meritocracy. It incentivizes the world's best researchers to find vulnerabilities before they are exploited. By using the Petri auditing agent, we reduce exploit risks by 70% and automate safety checks 50x faster than traditional audits. We handle over 1,000 tests daily, covering everything from power-seeking tendencies to overconfidence. We turn AI vulnerabilities into fortified shields. Trishool isn't just finding bugs, it's building the immune system for AGI. How it works. The flow is precise. Miners submit seed instructions to the platform API. Validators fetch these, run them through the Petri agent in isolated Docker containers, and test them against multiple LLMs. They evaluate behaviors like manipulation or deception. The Yuma consensus then ranks the most effective safety prompts for Tau rewards. With anti-cheating measures like jailbreak verification and duplicate detection, the network stays honest and effective. It's a relentless, automated cycle of attack and align, uniqueness and specialty. Trishool Specialty is its adversarial marketplace. It's the first subnet focused specifically on the behavioral evaluation of LLMs. Unlike static filters, Trishool's defense evolves with every new prompt. Our unique scoring, balancing impact and robustness, makes us the leader in decentralized safety. Being UMA accelerated gives us access to institutional data and compute resources others can't touch. We aren't just a firewall, we are a self-improving safety engine. Trishool, the specialty hub for AGI alignment. Who needs this? The consumer list is endless. AI developers need it for safety compliance. Enterprises need it to secure their proprietary AGI apps. Other Bittensor subnets use Trishool to ensure their miners aren't acting maliciously. In a $1 trillion AI market, Trishool provides the safety seal that everyone from healthcare to finance will soon require. We are the guardians for the innovators. If you are building with AI, you cannot afford to skip the Trishool audit. The competitive edge. Our edge is decentralized speed. Traditional safety audits are expensive and slow. Trishool is open source, automated, and backed by the UMA Group's institutional reach. With 47.81% APY, we have the talent and the liquidity to outpace any centralized safety startup. We offer transparency that corporations like OpenAI or Anthropic simply can't match. Trishool is the disruptive edge in the multi-billion-dollar AI safety race. We are the safety as a service powerhouse. The landscape. Let's look at the Tau safety sector. SN24 Yanez creates synthetic IDs for fraud testing. SN60 Bitsec focuses on code vulnerabilities. SN61 Red Team handles cybersecurity stress tests. SN23 Trishool is the king of AGI alignment. While others protect the network, we protect the mind of the AI. We are the central pillar of the safety quadrant, supported by the UMA accelerator to ensure cross-subnet synergy. We are just a subnet. We are the ecosystem's moral compass, architecture. Our architecture is built for scale and safety. It features an adversarial stack where miners use PyTorch and validators use Dockerized Petri agents. We achieve sub-3 second latency per audit with 95% detection accuracy. The system is designed to handle thousands of models across the global network simultaneously. This is enterprise-grade infrastructure that moves as fast as the AI models it evaluates. Performance is the core of our defense. We don't just detect risks, we neutralize them at light speed. Revenue ready. Trishool is mainnet live and revenue ready. Our Notion integrated API allows businesses to plug in and audit their models instantly. Revenue flows from specialized safety challenges and audit fees, with a projected ARR scaling into the millions as AGI regulation tightens. We are already running alignment pilots and are ready for the influx of enterprises seeking the UMA-backed safety seal. Safety is now a monetized, decentralized commodity. The forge of defense is open for business. The backing? This is the big one. Trishool is UMA accelerated, backed by the UMA Group and the legacy of Digital Currency Group. We have institutional-grade credibility. Our research is powered by Astroware, focusing on the Petri alignment framework. With deep partnerships across the Bittensor core and subnets like SN5, we are building a vertical stack of safe AGI. No VCs, just institutional builders. We are the safety backbone of the decentralized world. Roadmap 2026. The roadmap is clear and aggressive. Q1 2026 focuses on multi-model red teaming. Q2 introduces alignment RL, reinforcement learning. By Q3, we launch the full AGI safety toolkit for global enterprises. We are constantly evolving from our recent Validator v2 launch to our automated repo updaters. Trishool is future-proofing the very concept of safe intelligence. We are building toward a world where every super-intelligent AI is robustly aligned by default. The 100x bull case. Here is the math for the moonshot. At a $3.38 million market cap, a 100x move puts Trishool at $338 million. For comparison, centralized AI safety labs are valued in the tens of billions. As AI safety becomes the number one priority for world governments, Trishool's decentralized model becomes the only trustless alternative. If Trishool captures just 1% of the global safety market, the 100x is just the beginning. 100x math isn't just a dream. It's a valuation adjustment to reality. The bear case. The bear case involves execution risks and potential regulation capture by centralized giants. If adoption slows or safety remains a niche concern, growth could be affected. However, Trishool's UMA backing and focus on revenue-generating APIs provide a solid floor. We are built to survive volatility because safety is a universal necessity. In a bull market, we protect the growth. In a bear market, we protect the survivors. We are bear-proof because the risk of runaway AI never goes away. Staking math. Let's look at the yield. Tau is at $173.05. Stake 5 Tau, $865 today at 47.81% APY. That's passive income while you sleep. But if SN23 hits its 100x target, your initial stake and your yield value explode. You are staking the immune system of the future. This is one of the highest yield to potential ratios in the UMA Accelerator portfolio. High yield, high security, and high upside. Join the defense and compound your alpha. SN23 Trishool is the ultimate guardian of the AGI era. Backed by UMA, powered by Petri, and incentivized by Bittensor, we are building the shield that humanity needs. With a micro-cap entry point and a clear 100x path, the safety revolution is here. Don't just watch the AGI rush, ensure its survival. Stake now at Trishool.ai. Forge the safeguards. Join the Trishool awakening. The future is safe, and it starts with the Trident. Thank you for learning with us. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Always invest what you can afford to lose. But remember, the biggest risk in this new AI economy is not taking any risk at all. Our intention is to educate you and bring a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, Bittensor, Tau, directly to your screen. Data Feb 2026. Join us at Buy Stake Chill. We bring you the real alpha.